Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about Nature Valley Crunchy Granola Bars. They're so yummy. I've tried it was like a dark chocolate and it didn't have peanut butter. It was like a different flavor before and it was really, really good. So this is new actually, and I think it's about time they put together a flavor with peanut butter because I love peanut butter. I love dark chocolate. They both go amazing together. Kind of almost reminds me of like a Reese's Pieces. So they're really yummy. I'm just having this for breakfast with coffee. It's really good and it's good to have oats in the morning. I don't think it's like the most filling thing in the world, so sometimes you need maybe something else with it, but these are really great either for breakfast or to snack on, to put in like your kid's lunchbox or backpack or to have in your purse. I love these so much, but the one thing that drives me crazy is you eat them and there's crumbs everywhere, so it kind of like makes a total mess. But I always make sure I have like a napkin or something underneath this when I'm eating it. It just falls all over the place, but it tastes so good. So these are the new peanut butter and dark chocolate. They're kosher. There's 200 calories per bar, 2 grams of saturated fat, 170 milligrams of sodium, 12 grams of sugars, 9% of the daily value of saturated fat, and 7% daily value of sodium. Each box comes with 6 1.49 ounce, 42 gram 2-bar pouches. The net weight is 8.94 ounces. And the peanut butter and dark chocolate have 16 grams of whole grain. They make a whole bunch of other flavors. I also picked up it was like a maple sugar flavor too, which sounded pretty good. I'm excited to try that one, but of course my first love is chocolate, so I gotta open that one first. So they have 16 grams of whole grain per serving. At least 48 grams of whole grain are recommended daily. Nutrition facts: serving size is 2 bars, 42 grams. Servings per container 6, because there's 6 bars. Calories in 2 bars 200, and 1 bar 100. Calories from fat in 2 bars 90, and 1 bar 45. So total fat 10 grams, 15% daily value. Saturated fat 2 grams, 9% daily value. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 170. Total carbs 26 grams. Rolled oats, so of course that's high, but of course I'm going by 2 bars, so if you have 1 bar it's just 13 carbs. Dietary fiber 2 grams. Sugars 12 grams, so 6 grams per bar. Protein 2 grams, 4 grams in 2 bars. Iron 4% in 2 bars. Iron 2% in 1 bar. Not a significant source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Your daily values may be higher or lower depending on your calorie needs. Ingredients: whole grain oats, sugar, peanut butter, peanut salt, dark chocolate chips, sugar, chocolate liqueur, cocoa butter, soy lecithin, natural flavor salts, canola oil, roasted peanuts, rice flour, brown sugar syrup, honey, salt, natural flavor, baking soda, soy lecithin. Contains peanut, soy, may contain almond and pecan ingredients. Distributed by General Mills Sales Incorporated, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Partially produced by Genetic Engineering. Nature Valley crunchy bars are made with the best ingredients from nature, like 100% natural whole grain oats, dark chocolate, and peanut butter. Enjoy. Okay, so the box is recyclable because it's made of recycled paperboard. You can't recycle the plastic wrapper. Since 1880, quality guarantee with General Mills. We are committed to quality. In fact, we unconditionally guarantee it. If you're not satisfied with the quality of this product, a prompt refund or adjustment or of equal value will be made. Your comments and questions are welcome. Save the UPC and code date information, and then there's the number, and the distributor is General Mills in Minneapolis. So these are what the bars look like. They sell these like individually too. You can get them at like a 7-Eleven or something like that. I think the box is just easier. Have it in your house, obviously, and cheaper that way too. So this has the nutrition facts on the back. Carbohydrate choices 2. Where do you take your bar? Let us know on our Facebook page or tweet us. Okay, I'm gonna go have it. Okay, so I don't know what happened, but apparently during shipping maybe these got a little melted, but so it looks a little messy. But like I said, it's messy. They're always messy, but they taste good. It comes with 2 bars per serving. So I usually just eat both, but yeah, you could maybe share with someone and just have one each, or have one and then save the other for later. maybe just wrap it in plastic wrap or whatever. But like I said, I always just eat both bars. So you guys could see what they look like. They're super crunchy, they're yummy, the texture is good. I think it's more satisfying to eat something that's crunchy. I don't know, it's just me. So I love it. I love the flavor so much. And with the peanut butter, it's outstanding. And I'm really, really happy about this new flavor. So if you guys like chocolate, if you like peanut butter, go ahead and try these Nature Valley Crunchy Bars, new peanut butter and dark chocolate. Thanks for watching, guys.